WMF Peak 50, replacing the O-ring. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Remove the grounds container, drip tray, and dirt tray. Now feel for the brewing unit. It is positioned vertically inside the machine. Release the lock. To do this, pull the lever on the brewing unit toward you and hold it in place. Now carefully pull them out. To prepare the brewer for the O-ring replacement, use the included multi-tool to turn the screw counterclockwise until the scraper is in the front position. Gently press the funnel and pull it upward to remove it. Pull the springs out to release them and open the hopper. Press the O-ring, push it up slightly, and pull it off. Check the recess for the O-ring and clean it if necessary. Put on the new O-ring. To prepare the brewer for installation, fold down the insertion chute and reattach the springs. Turn the threaded knob on the top of the brewing unit clockwise until the scraper returns to its original position. Now reinsert the brewing unit. To do this, press the release button and move the brewing unit vertically upwards until the brewer clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the dirt tray, drip tray, and grounds container. Plug the power cord back in and turn on the machine. The O-ring has now been replaced, and your machine is ready for use again.